Ang una-una di mahinuna sa pagpangita o pamaagi, para kung unsa man gani nay pampalitugsot at pambayad sa utang. Bahala naglaom, malasig isang bisan nagkalibay.
Hi everyone, it's me again, Eman Style, and I am entering another chapter of my life. And recently, yung activities ko lang naman is syempre mag-move in sa new place ko, where I think I will live for a couple of months. Marami pang adjustment, marami pa akong kailangang ayusin sa new place ko. And hindi pala ako mag-isa dito. Meron akong ka-share pero right now wala pa sila. Wala pa siya. But we'll meet I think in 2 more days. After 2 more days. And I recently got a new camera as well. And I am just so happy to share as well my current situation. Moving from Angeles City to Manila. Of course, galing din akong Lubao. Kung saan talaga ako nakatira. Sobrang laki ng pagkakaiba from the community, from the transportation. Lahat ng mga bagay na meron sa Angeles City and of course sa Lubao, ibang-iba na talaga dito. Nakakapunta naman talaga ako dito, pero hindi ko na-foresee yung living in Manila. Malaki talaga yung adjustment ko. You know, as part of our growth, siguro kailangan talagang pagdaanan yung mga big adjustments. Ayun lang, I hope you enjoy this little catch up and I hope I will see you again in my next vlog.